I am Quinn and you just book.
That's right. Welcome back to Beat Up Scoops. I'm Mark. This is Quinn, and we are here to taste test this week's Crumbl cookies and give you the scoop, because that's what we do, huh? You ready for some cookies? All right, this week we got the big box. 6 cookies, because this week is mystery week. So the only one we didn't get is the chilled sugar. Let's see if we can hold this up. This is more than usual. Sliding around a little bit. But we've got the cookies and cream. We've got the waffle. We got the milk chocolate chip. We got the red velvet. We got the we got Quinn's favorite. This is the mystery cookie at our closest store, which is Quinn's favorite, right? The Circus Animal sugar cookie, and then we have fried ice cream. So this time we're gonna tear the box a little bit so we can lay it flat. Hold on. Oh, you're going straight for your favorite, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if we can fold this under. That's a bad idea. We're not gonna do that. We'll go this way. I like that. That look good? All right. Let's scoot them out. All right. You want to go for your favorite? Or you choose which one you want first. Chocolate, waffle, red velvet. No. Yep. This one's a little tougher because it has a whole animal cracker cookie on top of it too. Gotta get through it all. We did it. Oh, I'm gonna get this one that has a little extra cookie on it. Oh, it's a crumbly one. You made a mess over here. I'm gonna scoot that out of the way for a minute. That one's good. It's got little sprinkles inside it, on top, white chocolate, little cookie on top. I'm gonna cleanse my palate while you choose what's next. Red velvet. Let's do it. This is one of my favorites. I feel like I said it every time. Okay, you choose. Or are you getting water? I'm gonna eat it without you. It's so soft. It has a cream cheese frosting on top. Little bits of broken red velvet cookie on top. Just soft and delicious. What do you think about the frosting? Do you like the frosting? Yeah. Okay. Which was next? We've got fried ice cream, chocolate cookies and cream, waffle, and milk chocolate chip. Which one? What's a good choose? Waffle. Wait. Oh, no, go for it. We forgot. We gotta put the syrup on it. We gotta move these cookies out of the way. Do you want to pour? Let's get our frosting back on the cookie.
Oh, yeah.
And this one too?
No, wait.
Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah.
All right. We'll wait. Delicious. All right, we gotta get the syrup on for the full effect. Do you want to do it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll open it up. Okay, you're up. Don't go too crazy because you don't want syrup on that cookie. Oh, more this way, this way. Oh, yeah. It's syruped. We did it. You want more frosting?
The cookie.
Well, that one has a large dollop of frosting.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna spread this frosting out on this bite. This one's extra syrupy. Ouch. Mm. The description said better than your Saturday waffle. What do you think? Would you rather have this cookie or waffles? This cookie? All right. We're diving into the chocolate cookies and cream. Now this one has white chocolate chips, and then it has cookies and cream, like Oreos mixed throughout. Don't get syrup on it. That'll mess with the flavor. Gotta give a real, true cookie taste. Have we ever made homemade Oreos? If you've ever had a homemade Oreo, that's what this tastes like. It's really good. It's like rich chocolate, but light at the same time. And the texture of the Oreos in it. Quinn's moving on. All right, we're going straight chocolate chip. We haven't had this one for a little while. All right, hold on. What do you think so far? What's your favorite so far? Milk chocolate? That's your favorite out of all these? Okay, well, let's try the last one. So this one is a cinnamon cookie. It's got white chocolate, a little streusel of fried ice cream.
Ready. There you go.
Let's see it. Get it centered. Yeah, you did pretty good. Now this is a cold cookie. Makes sense because it's a fried ice cream cookie, right?
One.
You do it.
You.
Yeah. Do you want the little one or the big one? The medium size? Okay. I'm going to go with this little guy right here.
Yay.
I approve. No, we forgot to show off all the cookies. So now that we have them cut up, see the nice little white chocolate chips and the Oreos on there. Hold on, don't leave yet. And this one, it's the waffle cookie. It's adorable. It's got the waffle stamp. It's got buttercream frosting and syrup. I think, no, can't decide yet. Red velvet, buttercream frosting, streusel, fried ice cream, cinnamon cookie, white chocolate, streusel, lovely. And here is the, well, previously Quinn's favorite, the Circus Animal. Sprinkles throughout the cookie. It's a sugar cookie with white chocolate and a little cracker on top. All right, we got them all.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Number one cookie out of all of these, which one? Fried ice cream? This one? Number one? Okay, there you have it. Quinn's going with the fried ice cream. I am going to go stick with the red velvet. However, they're all very good. Lots of great honorable mentions. So that's the scoop on this week's Crumbl cookies. We'll see you next week, right?
Yes.
All right.